other salon. The other salon she don't like the color, so we came here. She have to cut a little bit hair and she will apply hair color. She's going to apply hair color, ash color. Naga so running mo korchi. Color ka da kya one. I mean this is the color after applying how it look. So hungry because we didn't eat food anything, so we just order water bottle, 2 Coke and 2 Red Bull, and still the rice is not yet reached, fried rice, so we are waiting. Take him shy. Very hungry. We didn't eat food in camp, so we order water, Coke, and then Red Bull. Cheers. Cheers. Waiting for rice. Now she's I put over to remove which table I don't know. Yun na dyan mo. Ano yung huwag na she's shy. Yung huwag na. Serap di pa ako. Nhà là laser ra nó salon rồi chính là như thế. Instead for 2 hours. After this, you have to give 40 to 45 minutes, and after that, they will wash hair, and again they have to apply 3rd stage. She put the 2nd step, so she have to get 40-45 minutes. At the meantime, we order food, so we are going to eat food. Deep fried rice. Me and my sister will eat only 1 spoon first. I'll eat. Let me try how it is. Very hungry. So right now just Satan. You have to give 45 minutes. Yeah, lah. Try. Chưa bà răng khả răng. Cho mà. Tâm ăn à? Một sự đánh hàng là. So sa. Kila देखिए. I'm going to cut my hair, compliment, because when my sister was a color, I was telling give some discount. Then they said they will not give discount, they will give some compliment. So I want to cut my hair right now. Wash. Kaya
अभी एक बार और होगा।
अभी एक बार डालेगा दतला
अभी
यहाँ पर अच्छा से प्लेट है
वही बोल रहा हूँ, एक बार और होगा अभी।
लास्ट लास्ट 5 yok lo baba sai sai le ba cuma nama kami lah second they did frost second split right now. So right now they will put the hair color. Still she's putting this color, okay? Still it's looking like this. Okay, we'll apply right now. Maybe ऐसे कि itching होता है क्योंकि because it's strong ना, you don't have to burn the skin. आप ऐसे burn करना चाहिए तो ऐसे होगा. This is the last one. If this color will not come, then again they will put it again. So let's see. I hope it will be different. The last one they are applying because very difficult. So her real color is this one, and which she's putting is this color. But I don't know why her hair is not covering. No, last one. Last one. 30 minutes to wait. See. Done with hair color. She's done with hair color. It's nice, no? The lot of means like mix up.
ब्लू ग्रीन कलर किया था ना, रेड कलर, उसकी वजह से आया हुआ है।
Okay, no problem. Okay,
Nice,
she's
now?
done.
You like it? Yeah. Same you told like this color only.
She liked it this color, but actually because of this,
More
otherwise
colors.
it should become everywhere it should become like that. But because of her cold color, it can't cover. But fine, it's okay.
Fine.
Done. So right now we are leaving. Akamla.
Video करना है?
वीडियो नहीं,
Photo click करके रखो. Next time if people coming now, if you suggest.
Yeah.
Because see, everybody want to see color, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise it's difficult. Zala देखिए चकला का ताने में चल चकला.
Look, video करना है? करो.